What if the SUV sitting in your driveway today could become one of the most expensive mistakes you've ever made? Across America, thousands of drivers are discovering that certain vehicles are turning into financial nightmares. Some are facing massive repair bills. Others are watching resale values collapse. And a few are dealing with problems so serious that insurance companies, regulators, and manufacturers are all being forced to respond. In today's video, we're counting down 7 SUVs surrounded by controversy, costly defects, and growing owner frustration. If you own any of these vehicles, what you're about to hear could save you thousands of dollars. Let's begin. Number 7. 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500 Classic. Picture this. You bought a Ram 1500 Classic because it was a practical, affordable truck for everyday driving. You paid a fair price, kept up with maintenance, and never had a serious mechanical issue. And then you discover that your truck just became a massive financial liability you cannot get rid of. Here is what is actually happening. The Ram 1500 Classic was a brilliant marketing move, selling an older truck platform at a discount. But because it is based on an aging architecture engineered years ago, it lacks modern pedestrian protection design. The bumper height, rigid hood geometry, and complete lack of energy-absorbing structures create what safety engineers classify as an incredibly aggressive impact profile. There is no retrofit for this, no software patch, and no quick fix. You cannot change the fundamental engineering of the front structure. Because hundreds of thousands of these trucks flooded the market, the used truck inventory is heavily saturated. As modern safety and tech standards leave older platforms behind, wholesale auction values are tanking. Dealerships are becoming incredibly cautious with trade-in offers, leaving many owners stuck with a vehicle that is depreciating faster than they can pay down the loan. Number 6. 2018 to 2021 Chevrolet Equinox 1.6-liter diesel. When fuel prices started climbing, the Chevrolet Equinox diesel looked like a smart choice. Drivers loved the fuel economy, and road trippers loved the massive driving range. Everything seemed perfect, until regulatory reality caught up with it. Over the past decade, diesel emissions compliance has become the most heavily monitored area of the automotive industry. If a vehicle becomes associated with emissions controversies, public perception changes overnight. The financial consequences for Equinox diesel owners are brutal. Used car buyers simply don't want to deal with specialized diesel emissions hardware on a compact crossover, causing market confidence to completely disappear. Dealers are offering incredibly low trade-in values because these cars sit on lots forever. Owners who expected their fuel-saving SUV to hold its value are finding out the hard way that the market for compact domestic diesels has completely collapsed. Number 5. 2017 to 2020 Jeep Compass 2.4-liter Tigershark. Mechanics in shops across the country have a nickname for this engine. They call it the oil burner. And looking at the data, they are completely right. The 2.4-liter Tigershark engine in the Jeep Compass has a notorious reputation for excessive oil consumption. Forums are filled with identical stories of owners burning through multiple quarts of oil between regular service intervals. The truly dangerous part is that this consumption happens gradually enough that many drivers have zero idea it's occurring until the low oil pressure light flashes on a highway. Fiat Chrysler actually ended up settling a massive class action lawsuit covering nearly 1 million vehicles equipped with this engine, offering extended warranties and software updates to address the stalling issues caused by the low oil levels. But out in the real world, the structural reputation damage is already done. If you are looking at a used model outside of its warranty window, a catastrophic engine failure can quickly result in a repair bill that completely exceeds the entire market value of the vehicle. As bad as a hidden oil-burning defect is, the next 3 vehicles on our list feature issues that can leave you completely stranded on the highway without a second's notice. If this kind of insider data is keeping money in your pocket and keeping your family safe, hit that subscribe button right now. I put out a new video every week covering the exact mechanical flaws that manufacturers want you to ignore. You do not want to miss what is waiting at number 1. Let's move to number 4. Number 4. 2016 to 2019 Ford Explorer. Many used car buyers rush to buy used Explorer platforms because they believe they are getting a rugged, heavy-duty bargain. But a severe structural design concern surrounding exhaust fumes and carbon monoxide exposure created years of intense scrutiny. For drivers spending long hours inside these cabins, even minor exhaust leaks turned into a massive safety issue. Reports, federal safety investigations, and class action lawsuits quickly followed. Ford issued multiple technical service bulletins and customer satisfaction campaigns to apply special updates, modify rear exhaust valves, and reseal the rear seams of the cabin. But the challenge with the used market is verifying if the repair was actually done correctly by the previous owner. Because carbon monoxide is completely odorless and colorless, uncertainty alone has completely ruined buyer confidence, tanking the resale value of these specific model years. Before we get to the final 3 vehicles on this list, if this kind of information is keeping money in your pocket and keeping your family safer, hit subscribe right now. I put out a new video every week covering the exact mechanical and safety issues that manufacturers are hoping you never find out about, and you do not want to miss what is waiting at number 1. Number 3, 2018 to 2021, Volkswagen Atlas Phantom 6. The Volkswagen Atlas was designed specifically for American families, offering 3 rows, plenty of cargo space, and a smooth ride. But behind closed doors, transmission and drivetrain complaints have created ongoing anxiety among owners. Few automotive problems are more unsettling than losing confidence in your transmission. Unlike a broken radio or a faulty power window, a sudden drivetrain hesitation completely alters how your vehicle moves in heavy traffic. Owners have reported instances of delayed engagement, sudden shuddering, or unexpected loss of forward acceleration while traveling at highway speeds. Even though VW has issued various recalls covering specific model years for potential structural or electronic faults, the fear of an unexpected transmission malfunction spreads fast online. In today's market, perception quickly becomes financial reality. When potential buyers read pages of transmission complaints, they run the other way, leaving current Atlas owners fighting heavy depreciation. Number 2, 2017 to 2020, Nissan Pathfinder CVT models. The Nissan Pathfinder once represented rugged, old-school reliability. Then came the CVT controversy. Continuously variable transmissions promise smoother acceleration and maximum fuel efficiency. But Nissan's specific CVT design has been under intense fire for over a decade. Owners have flooded safety databases with complaints of extreme shuddering, often called the CVT stampede, along with hesitation, overheating, and outright premature transmission failure. Nissan has settled multiple massive class action lawsuits over their CVTs, extending warranties to protect buyers. But if you buy one of these used outside of that extended warranty window, you are gambling with your wallet. A total transmission replacement can easily cost between $5,000 and $7,000. For an older Pathfinder, that repair bill can equal almost the entire value of the car, forcing owners to either invest heavily in a broken asset or trade it in for a massive loss. Number 1, 2019 to 2022 Tesla Model X. Number 1 is a vehicle that always stops people cold. This isn't about a traditional engine failure or emissions fraud. It's a design debate centered around emergency access and long-term complexity. The pre-refresh Tesla Model X, those unforgettable Falcon wing doors, became the vehicle's signature feature. But whenever an incredibly unique engineering design enters the mass automotive world, serious long-term operational questions follow. The Falcon wing doors rely on an incredibly dense network of electronic actuators, dual hinge motors, capacitive touch sensors, and complex software systems just to open and close. When everything works perfectly, it feels like the future. But out in the real world, owners have reported persistent issues with sensor calibration, latch failures, and expensive out-of-warranty hardware replacements. More importantly, safety experts have raised ongoing debates regarding physical emergency access. If a severe collision causes a complete failure of the primary 12-volt electrical system, locating and Operating the mechanical manual override cables buried inside the speaker grills requires a level of calm and precision that most people simply do not have in a panic. It is a stunning piece of innovation, but its sheer mechanical complexity makes it the ultimate double-edged sword on the used market. Those were 7 SUVs that have generated serious consumer controversy, expensive ownership concerns, and growing anxiety among drivers. If your vehicle made today's list, don't panic. Use a trusted VIN decoder to stay completely updated on your vehicle's specific recall history, stay on top of preventive fluid changes, and consult a qualified technician before making any major financial choices. If this video helped you understand the hidden risks in the used car market, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. Which SUV on this list surprises you the most? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.